Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be showing y'all something. We're going to be showing you something that has been overcomplicated and made to seem like it's some mystical process. Today what we're going to be using is Gtechniq. This boat here has 7 hours on it. It's a brand new boat. It's just been out of the water a little bit. That's it. We're going to wash it, but then we're going to be applying Gtechniq Light. And this is a 5-year coating. It's a 2-step process. And then on the interior of the boat, we're going to be using 3D. And this is a 1-year coating that's going to go on the inside. So it's going to work pretty darn good. So we're going to show you the process. That way you can do it at home. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, do it. This process works best on new boats and new cars, etc. as far as with ceramic coatings. So let me say this. Okay. This process works best. Applying a ceramic coating always works best on a new item, new boat, new car. So if you run into something else that has been used, then you have to be competent and educated in paint correction. That's a whole nother beast. This particular boat, since it's brand new, I'm not going to have to do that. So we're going to go over it, we're going to clean it. We may go over it with a simple polish. Besides that, we're not doing any paint correction because it's new. So the inside is clean. We're just going to wash it, we're going to prep the surfaces, and then we're going to start off with the process. This is Gtechniq. This is how to use Gtechniq. So let's get straight into it. All right, so right now we're putting on this ceramic coating, and very, very easy. Gonna go ahead and just saturate it. Then just work it in a crosshatch pattern. That's it. There's nothing else to it.
What's up with gas mask?
Yep. It is a very, very noxious smelling product. We do have a fan going right now. EXO, this is a topper. The other product is put on identically the same. Make sure that you wear gloves. This product, according to the Gtechniq website, has a low flash point, which means it doesn't dry very quick. So you do have time to come back and get wherever you missed. Vertical of upper rubber. Everyone on YouTube, just for you to know, this product here is a lot more noxious smelling than this. This wasn't as bad, would you say? This wasn't as bad. Yeah, we hardly didn't even smell it. This top coat of this EXO, very, very, very noxious. That would be the word that I would that be the word that you want to use?
YouTube word I would use.
Yeah.
Talk to me in person, I have a completely different word for you.
Yes. So you heard that. So as you can see, we just came through and just did the whole, just top coat. and also the upper non-skid. As you can see, this is not a complicated process. This is time consuming. You can say it's more tedious more than anything. Or just watch what you're doing. I mean, this is pretty basic stuff. Now, again, when you get into paint correction, that's a whole other monster, y'all. But if you have something brand new like this and you're applying a coating, this is how you do it. Oh, just the top section. All right, go to the other side. Now we're going to go to the other side. We're going to continue. Then I'm going to show you a review of how to use. I guess it's going to be a little bit of a review, but how to use this 3D spray ceramic. And take a look at that. All right, so we're gonna do an unboxing of this 3D ceramic touch. It says to spray on, and smells good. Smells like cologne, kinda, sorta. Important to have the surface completely clean and decontaminated. Paint correction is recommended. Wipe down, spray on, and the product to cover the surface with a fine mist. Do not oversaturate. And also it says using a side-to-side pattern, which side-to-side, as you can see, that's what it says to use. Evenly with a microfiber, working in the 4 foot by 4 foot. After waiting 30 seconds, buff the product off with a clean microfiber towel. So this seems pretty user-friendly. I'm gonna try it out and see how user-friendly it really is. A little bitty bottle. Comes with a little cap. Not really understanding here. Oh, it's got a safety on here. My goodness. So it's got a safety feature. It's pretty nice, that way you don't leak it all over, but if you do unscrew loosen this, it's still gonna leak anyway, so safety is a feel-good feature. Wouldn't you say so? All right, so I'm gonna start here. Just gonna show. It says do not oversaturate. I'm not gonna oversaturate.
That's an interesting smell.
It is, isn't it?
Oh shit, no. Whoa.
Woo! Woo! This shit is potent. Wiping it on. I'm gonna grab a rag while I'm spreading it.
I got you. This is an instant.
Instant. Spread it around. According to this, you missed it, spread it, wipe it. Instant. So that's what we're doing, folks. So we're gonna see what this product does. Supposedly this product lasts for up to 2 years. There's no way for us to know if this product is going to last 2 years because it all depends on maintenance. If you wash any ceramic with the wrong stuff, you're gonna ruin it. So always keep that in mind. It doesn't matter how much money you spend on a ceramic. You wash it one time and you don't maintain it, it's gonna be ruined. You can see that worked. Shiny, that's what we want. And give some protection. Now it does have a cure time. Always wait on ceramic to cure for at least 12 hours. The longer you let anything cure, regardless if it's paint itself or anything else that has a cure time, the longer you let it cure, the better it is. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it, y'all. We wiped it multiple times. So as you can see, the 3D ceramic coating works amazing. Makes the floors super duper shiny. After doing the entire boat, that's how much we have left. So the entire upper deck area and also the sides, console, all the way up, all the way around. It's amazing, y'all. Show y'all the after on the exterior. Here we go. Right, so this is the after, and as you can see, looks amazing. It's amazing, everybody. There we go. Hey everybody, so we just wrapped up on the boat. Turned out absolutely exquisite. As you can see, turned out amazing. So now we're gonna head out and we're gonna go take care of some more stuff.